Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, a comprehensive review of BingX copy trading. If you're interested in maximizing your trading potential without spending hours in front of your screen, then copy trading might be the perfect solution for you. BingX is a revolutionary platform that allows users to copy the trades of experienced traders. This means that whether you're a beginner or someone looking to enhance your trading skills, you can benefit from the expertise of seasoned professionals. The platform is user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to get started in the world of trading. One of the standout features of BingX is its ability to provide real-time insights and analytics. With a wide range of top traders available for you to follow, you can choose those whose trading strategies align with your goals. Plus, the platform offers various tools to help you customize your trading experience, making it suitable for different risk appetites. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using our special referral code, CHUCHU. By entering this code when signing up, you unlock exclusive bonuses that can give you a head start in your trading journey. These bonuses can enhance your experience, allowing you to explore various trading options without the usual restraints. Using the referral code CHUCHU ensures that you not only benefit personally, but also become part of a vibrant trading community. It opens doors to special promotions and events, further enriching your learning and earning potential. Why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your trading with our referral code? To summarize, BingX's copy trading feature, paired with the advantages of using the referral code CHUCHU, offers an incredible opportunity for anyone looking to step into the trading world. So, take the plunge and explore the benefits of trading smarter, not harder. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Horizon. If you found this overview helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insights and tips on navigating the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrency trading.